Here I will show you how to use built-in compass in Samsung Galaxy A16. Go to your settings. In settings, you have to go down and tap on display. Under display, scroll down. Here, tap on edge panels. Enable edge panel. Now tap on panels. Here, if you swipe to the left side, here you will find this compass under tools. So select tools and then deselect apps. So you have to select only tools. Now I'm going back to my home screen, and at the right side we can see a little panels icon. Now all you have to need just swipe the panel, and here we can see my compass. Now you can easily use compass in your Samsung Galaxy A16 device. Thanks for watching.